Look at that out there. Look at that wind. Holy cow.
Are my boots warm now?
No, I put them in that bucket thing. On the couch there. They were black, right?
Yeah, but they have kind of strap.
Dude, I don't know where your gloves are, okay? That's your job to keep track of them. I picked up gloves and I put them right here. Alright? That's how it goes, man. You gotta find your gloves. Man, this is great. That's a hell of a storm. We're going to take this down to the beach so that we can see what the water looks like today. Look at that. Oh, the roof blew off. That's fun. Looks like Polly was driving around in the yard here. Oh yeah. That's Polly. Driving. Polly tracks. Wow. Amazing. Alright. Going 30.